In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trace a sender from a Hotmail email header. This is really useful if you want to know where an email came from or to double check if it's authentic. And don't worry, the whole process takes less than 5 minutes. First, head over to the Outlook website and log into your Microsoft 365 account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it first. Once you're on the login page, click Sign In. Most people will have autofill ready, so logging in should be quick. After logging in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. From here, click on Inbox to open your recent emails. Now, select the email that you want to trace. With your email opened, look for the 3-dot icon at the top. That's the menu for more actions. Click it, then choose View. A second menu will appear. From there, click View Message Source. This will open the full header of the email, which contains all the technical details about where it came from. Now you'll see a wall of text, but don't worry. The important part is in the lines that start with received. These usually show the sender's IP address and the path the email took across the internet before reaching your inbox. And that's it. You've traced the sender details from a Hotmail email header. At first, it may look a little technical, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. Just remember to use this responsibly and always respect privacy regulations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.